Hey guys, we got a 2018 Cascadia day cab here. I believe this is your CA113. It's got your DD13, 435 horsepower. Only 318,000 miles on this truck. Excellent rubber air slide fifth wheel. Looks like we got some new quarter fenders on there. Really clean truck. It's 178 wheelbase, 308 gear ratio, 435 horse. Bench style passenger seating. Come check this truck out at AAAtrucksales.com and have a great day. DT12 fully automatic.